Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 14th of June. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to attend Mumbai Samachar's 200th anniversary on 14th of June. Israeli envoy met Yogi Adityanath, discussed investment in defense corridor. Month on, no Kashmiri Pandit employee resumed work fearing target attacks. 3 cases of Omicron subvariants detected in Mumbai. Those in power must act responsibly. Delhi High Court on hate speeches. UP Health Minister shocked Noida Hospital with surprise visit finds lapses. Maharashtra active COVID cases jumped 241% from 5,127 to 17,480 in 10 days. And now some international news. US man arrested thrice in 3 weeks for having too many bird feeding trays. Prince Harry fall off his horse during polo match in California. Beijing bar linked to ferocious COVID outbreak, thousands isolated. Sidhu Moosewala received tribute at New York's Times Square. And now some sports news. IPL media rights TV and digital for 2023 to 2027 goes to 2 separate broadcasters. Deal pegged at rupees 44,075 crore sources. Not representing a community but my country, boxer Nikhat Jareen. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.